This small apartment living room exudes Scandinavian charm. The light gray sofa pairs perfectly with the wooden coffee table, creating a cozy focal point. A large white area rug softens the space, while minimalist black and white artwork adds a touch of modernity. A tall indoor plant in a woven basket and small potted plants on the windowsill bring life and greenery to this serene, stylish retreat. This modern small apartment living room blends sophistication and comfort. A sleek black leather sofa complements the glass coffee table, offering a chic, contemporary vibe. The large flat-screen TV mounted on the wall adds a touch of luxury, while dark hardwood flooring and a white fur rug provide contrasting textures. Ambient LED lighting casts a warm glow, creating a cozy, inviting atmosphere. Step into this cozy small apartment living room with a vintage vibe. A plush velvet love seat sets the tone, paired with a classic wooden side table and a retro floor lamp, casting a soft glow. Colorful throw pillows add a pop of personality, while a patterned area rug brings warmth. Framed vintage posters on the wall complete the nostalgic feel of this inviting space. This minimalist small apartment living room radiates simplicity and elegance. The white sectional sofa and low-profile wooden coffee table anchor the space, creating a clean, modern look. A neutral color palette enhances the serene ambience, while a single large abstract art piece on the wall adds a focal point. A simple floor lamp and a few decorative books complete this effortlessly chic setting. Embrace the eclectic charm of this bohemian small apartment living room. A comfortable beige sofa sets the stage, adorned with a mix of colorful throw pillows. The woven jute rug adds texture, while macrame wall hangings bring an artisanal touch. A cluster of hanging plants breathes life into the space, and a low wooden coffee table completes this inviting, relaxed oasis. This chic small apartment living room exudes contemporary elegance. The gray velvet sofa offers plush comfort, complemented by a sophisticated round marble coffee table. A large gold-framed mirror adds a touch of glamour, reflecting the light off the white walls. A soft gray area rug anchors the space, while stylish decorative items like candles and vases enhance the room's modern aesthetic. This bright and airy small apartment living room captures the essence of a coastal retreat. A white sofa with blue and white striped cushions brings a nautical touch, perfectly complemented by a wooden coffee table. A large ocean-themed artwork anchors the space, evoking a sense of calm. Light wood flooring, sheer curtains, and seashell decorations complete this serene, beach-inspired haven. Experience the charm of this rustic, industrial small apartment living room. A rich leather sofa pairs seamlessly with a reclaimed wood coffee table, set against the backdrop of exposed brick walls. Metal shelving units add a rugged edge, while vintage light fixtures cast a warm glow. A collection of framed black and white photographs adds a personal touch to this urban, stylish space. Step into this mid-century modern small apartment living room, where retro style meets contemporary comfort. A mustard yellow sofa serves as a bold centerpiece, complemented by a round wooden coffee table. The geometric patterned area rug adds a playful touch. Framed art prints, a sleek floor lamp, and a small bookshelf complete this chic, timeless space. Indulge in the luxury of this modern glam small apartment living room. A white velvet sofa exudes elegance, paired with a mirrored coffee table that adds a touch of sophistication. A large chandelier casts a dazzling light, while gold accents elevate the space's opulence. A plush area rug and elegant decorative items like vases and candle holders complete this lavish, stylish retreat. Welcome to this cozy farmhouse small apartment living room. A slip-covered sofa offers comfort and charm, paired with a wooden coffee table boasting a distressed finish. A soft plaid throw blanket adds warmth. Rustic decor items like a wooden sign, a vintage clock, and a lantern complete this inviting, homey space with timeless appeal. Dive into the vibrant world of this eclectic small apartment living room. A tufted sofa invites relaxation, paired with a vintage trunk repurposed as a coffee table. The patterned area rug adds visual interest, while a variety of art pieces and unique decor items create a dynamic, personalized space. Colorful throw pillows and diverse styles come together to celebrate individuality and creativity. This sleek small apartment living room exudes modern sophistication with its monochromatic color scheme. A black leather sofa pairs flawlessly with a black marble coffee table, creating a chic focal point. Black and white art prints adorn the walls, while a large plant adds a touch of greenery. A modern floor lamp and a soft black rug complete this stylish, refined space. Transform your space into a tropical retreat with this small apartment living room. A bamboo sofa with green cushions offers a laid-back vibe, complemented by a round wicker coffee table. A large palm plant brings a touch of the tropics, while tropical-themed artwork and leaf-printed decorative pillows enhance the theme. A rattan area rug ties everything together, creating a serene, island-inspired escape. Create the perfect reading retreat in this small apartment living room. A comfortable armchair invites you to unwind, complemented by a small side table and a reading lamp for your literary adventures. A tall bookshelf filled with books adds charm, while a soft throw blanket and decorative pillows enhance the cozy, inviting atmosphere. This space is designed for relaxation and enjoyment of your favorite reads.